Hey folks, this is Kyle with Off Leash Canine Training down here in beautiful Southwest Florida. Today I have with me Tex. He is a 2-year-old Great Pyrenees here for the 2-week board and train program to help out with obedience and leash manners. Today is the first day of drop off, so let's see what he knows. Tex, sit. Tex, sit. All right, Tex, down. Tex, down. All right. Tex, come here. Come. Come here. Oh, you big boy. All right. Tex, place. Tex, place. All right, well, looks like we've got our work cut out for us on this one, so check back in 2 weeks to see his progress.